How to replace NaNs by preceding or next values in pandas DataFrame. Suppose I have a DataFrame with some NaNs. What I need to do is replace every NaN with the first non-NaN value in the same column above it. It is assumed that the first row will never contain a NaN. So for the previous example, the result would be I can just loop through the whole data frame column by column, element by element and set the values directly, but is there an easy, optimally a loop-free, way of achieving this?
You could use the fill method on the data frame and specify the method as fill, forward fill. This method. Propagate S, last valid observation forward to next valid. To go the opposite way, there's also a fill method. This method doesn't modify the data frame in place. You'll need to rebind the returned data frame to a variable or else specify in place equals true.
The accepted answer is perfect. I had a related but slightly different situation where I had to fill in forward but only within groups. In case someone has the same need, know that fillNA works on a data frame groupie object.
One thing that I notice when trying this solution is that if you have NA at the start or the end of the array, fill and fill don't quite work. You need both.
You can use pandas.dataframe.fillNA with the method equals fill option. Fill stands for forward fill and will propagate last valid observation forward. The alternative is fill, which works the same way, but backwards. There is also a direct synonym function for this, pandas.dataframe.fill, to make things simpler.